Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we got lots to talk about. We got some huge bombshell news that's involving Ripple, so we're going to be talking about that. Also, we got some huge Ethereum news. Looks like the merge is about to happen, and we did have the testnet is complete, guys. So that is absolutely cool beans in the house. So we got lots and lots to talk about, guys and gals. So huge bombshell news that could shake the foundations, the very foundations of crypto. So we're going to get into it, and guys and gals, don't forget, this ain't financial advice. I'm just an OG expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys and gals. And we got the brilliant alien in the house, guys. So let's get it. Show some love for the brilliant alien in the house. And he's here, all the way from Mars to show some more love. And guys, do show some support. Go out there, smash the likes, subscribe, YB, and don't forget to share this video, guys and gals. So let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. So Ethereum is blasting away. And it looks like our next stop for Ethereum is going to be about $2,000. And right now, Ethereum is trading at $1,885. So Ethereum is doing very, very well today. We're basically up right now. We're up almost 1.67%. But in total, we're up like crazy. So Ethereum is looking like it's primed and set and ready to go, guys. So as you guys know, we got the Ethereum is up 14% as the go early. It's like an early gorilla. Go early. The testnet merge goes live. So this is the last final dress rehearsal for Ethereum to be going livey, and that should be around about the September 19th, guys. So when that happens, you're going to see a lot of huge positive stuff for Ethereum. We're going to be seeing that the amount of Ethereum that is produced is going to be going down. It's going to be going down like crazy. We're going to be seeing that, Ethereum is going to become completely deflationary out there, and we're going to be moving to proof of stake. So I'm sure that a lot of the Ethereum miners are probably not happy right now. They're like, so what do we do now? So it is what it is, and also proof of stake is completely friendly. It's not using a lot of electricity, so that is cool beans in the house, guys. So that is cool, guys. So I've got an urge, and the only cure is Ethereum merge, guys. So if you got the urge, wait, buckle up, because September 19th we're going to be seeing the merge is here, guys. So the merge it could be delayed a couple of days, and that's not going to be a big deal. These things sometimes don't roll out on time. So remember, yesterday we did have the CPI data that did come out, and it was at 8.5%. So that is great. That is absolutely great news. As I said in my previous video, do absolutely go back and watch all my other videos. The best trade of your life, guys. And I think you should go back and watch this, because it really talks about the optimism, the probabilities, and also the realistic reality of crypto out there. I'm just going to touch on that a little bit. I don't want to be lecturing. I don't want to be spending too much time. So remember, we had CPI data that went down. And after that, we had the whole markets pump, which is great. That's great news. Everybody's euphoric. Everybody's happy. You guys, the FOMO has started. Put on your FOMO goggles. Put on your FOMO earphones. But you got to be a little bit cautious out there, because remember, 8.5%. We had predicted 8.7, and we went down from 9.1. And one of the biggest reasons that inflation has gone down is because the oil and gas prices have gone down. Sure, the administration, they have reduced the gas tax, so that's fine. But remember, a lot of Joe Nancy and Joe Public out there, they're still hurting. We're seeing that rents right now are at an all-time high. We're seeing that food has not come down. So realistically, is inflation any better? You tell me. You absolutely tell me. So from what I'm trying to allude to you, everything's looking good. Bull run, woohoo, yappy, let's get it. But you also need to be very cautious that this could not be everything that we turned out to be. Remember, I did talk about Elon Musk. He sold a whole bunch of his Tesla stocks, about almost 7 billion. Why did he do that? He's not a dumb man. Does he know something? We had, Kathy Wood from ARK Investments. She also sold Coinbase. She also sold, the block. So does she know something? So I'm not trying to Debbie down this whole euphoric bull run. I mean, I'm happy. I'm absolutely happy. I did take some profits today. I did take some profitos. So I did do that. I'm admitting that I took profits, but keep in mind, be cautious, be absolutely cautious. One of the other reasons that we saw Bitcoin go up because we had a short squeeze, and the shorts had to basically backwash all their profit, all their losses, and when they had to take a long position. So be careful. So right now, for the price of Bitcoin, we're seeing Bitcoin is at 24,503. So that is good, guys. Absolutely good news in house. We're seeing the pre-markets are also looking green right now, but slightly green. So, you know, take this with absolutely a pinch of salt out there. Take it with a pinch of salt. We could be going red with markets open, and you have to watch my market open video. So as I said, Ethereum just pulled off its final test. So the final test of the Gorilla testnet is done, and we're going to have the most important event in crypto. So this is going to be one of the most important events in crypto. Ethereum is moving to proof of stake, and it's happening in your lifetime. It's happening in my lifetime, guys. So this is good news. Absolutely good news. I mean, I'm very, very bullish right now about Ethereum. I think Ethereum's price is going to continue to go up. Let's wait and see what happens for Bitcoin. You know, will it come down? Is this a fake out? You know, and remember, during the bull runs, we often have very nice movement, but also we can have very nice downside. Because remember, the overall trend right now, the overall trend is still we are in a bear cycle. It's it's not been confirmed that we're in a bull run yet. So guys, it's not uncommon to expect things to go down, guys. So remember, there's more chances of things going down than going up. But hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully that next month, when the CPI data comes out, it is down even more, and that is going to be huge, guys. So as I said, Ethereum is moving closer to adopting the proof of stake model for its network. Fantastic, which is less energy intensive and than the existing proof of work. And so the last testnet, just rehearsal, is live. It's working. There's been no reports of poo-push madness out there, so that is cool beans in the house. We talked about Ethereum is up 14%. Fantastic. We love it. What else is coming in right now? I got the urge. You got the urge. I got the urge. Get the merch, guys. So I thought that was a funny meme. So let's take a look at the heat map. I don't need the sunglasses. What I do need is I need the brilliant alien in the house, guys. You need them. I need them. Everybody needs them. We're seeing Bitcoin is up 6%. We're seeing Ethereum is bouncing back at 11%. It was up 14%. It's come down a little bit. There actually has been some profit taken. I must say that there's been some profit taken out there. The fear and greed is cool in the house. It's gone from 31 to 41. So this is good. We can see that the social sentiment is positive, and remember, sentiment is driving price, and that's why you got to get your FOMO goggles on, ladies and gentlemen. Get those FOMO goggles on and get the FOMO noise cancellation headphones, because there's going to be a lot of FOMO. But FOMO is good for long-term holders because it's going to push the price up, guys. So hopefully we'll see some FOMO rockets. This is a little bit Debbie Downer news right now. We're seeing that these senators here, I don't want to say their names because the algorithm is listening, and you know, they can, you know, do stuff. So it looks like U.S. senators beep 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 asked key bank regulators to rescind a crypto guidance. So there was this whole letter that went out last year, and they basically, you know, asked the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency to rescind interpretive letter that allowed banks to engage in crypto activities and explain how banks are becoming involved in crypto. So in an open address to acting controller Michael Su, lawmakers said that they were concerned that several interpretive letters published in 2020 and 2021 under former acting controller Brian out there, now CEO of a company called Bitfury. And basically what this does is, they said, these senators said that it gives the risk posed, given a risk posed by cryptocurrencies to banks and their customers. We request that you withdraw the OCC interpretive letters 1170, 1172. And basically this letter kind of said, look, to the banks, you can, you know, engage in crypto custodial activity. You can, you know, promote crypto to your customers. So it looks like these Debbie Downers here, they want to rescind that. So, you know, maybe they don't like crypto as much as they should. Maybe it scares them. Maybe, you know, they don't want the traditional banks to move in that direction. Maybe it's about, you know, controlling privacy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this good for crypto? Is it bad for crypto? What do you think? This is pretty much a big bombshell, but we still got the Ripple bombshell news. Keep watching. Keep absolutely watching. What else is coming in right now? Looks like Mark Cuban is in trouble right now. Mark Cuban faces class action lawsuit for promoting Voyager crypto products. So the lawsuit alleged that Mark Cuban misrepresented the crypto offerings and services by Voyager and leveraged his years of experience to lure inexperienced customers to investing their life savings. So yeah, class action lawsuit. I mean, I think that, basically Mark Cuban, he was using Voyager, he liked Voyager. He may not have done his due diligence, but he liked the product enough to say, look, I'm Mark Cuban, I like Voyager, I'm putting my coins there. So, I mean, I don't think it was nefarious out there. I don't think this class action lawsuit is just poo-poo, schmata. It's not going to go anywhere out there. Keep watching, guys. We've got the big Ripple news. So it looks like the Bitcoin March 2022 bull trap and crash are quite similar to the current setup. Bitcoin looks like it's breaking out right now. So in 2022, we had this huge big bull trap, and then we had a breakout, and we're seeing something very similar again. So guys, and if this does complete, remember, I'm not convinced 100% that we're in the bear cycle. We're still in the bull. So remember, it's still in the bear. It's still in the bear. I'm not convinced the bull. Get it right, OG. So, from that perspective, be cautious out there. Don't put all your dry powder all at once. Ladder it in there. Not financial advice, but just keep calm and let's wait and see. So I didn't do any dollar cost averaging today. I'm waiting. I'm absolutely waiting for the dust to settle from this whole CPI data. So, if we look at these two fractals, it's looking pretty good. They look very similar. Remember, history never repeats, but it rhymes, and we could be seeing a rhyme happening. This is from BTC Fuel, in case you're wondering where I'm getting the information from. And it looks pretty similar, and I think that if we see a similar pattern coming, we could easily see 72,000, 52,000 easily coming in very quick. So some people are calling for 100K by the end of the year. It is what it is, guys. So looks like also Bitcoin on track to make 4 green weeks in a row. Not too shabby, and this is going to be the first time in 12 months. So everyone's pretty positive. Lots of hype out there. Lots of FOMO goggles, FOMO noise cancellation. Be cautious out there, guys. Be absolutely cautious. Remember, fear and greed is going up and up and up. Remember, what smart money does is they always do opposite of what the sentiment is. Okay, so when everybody's the greed is like insane in the membrane, that's when smart money is selling. And when fear is at all-time lows and everyone's in extreme fear, that's when they're buying. So guys, keep an eye on that. Don't let FOMO cloud your brain pan and make you do stupid stuff. Because a lot of people they ape into stuff. They listen to their neighbor. They listen to their grandma. They even listen to the dog next door, and they buy stuff without thinking, and they jump in and like, yeah, and sure. You can get these FOMO rockets that go up, but eventually the FOMO rockets run out of fuel and they do the. So be careful out there. So it looks like if you take a look at the 4-year multiple, we can see the Bitcoin 4-year multiple from 2012, 2018 to 2016, 2022 is very similar. It's almost identical, guys. So it is what it is. And I think from that perspective, we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up. It's going to have some peaks, it's going to have some valleys, and we can see here we've had peaks and valleys from 2016 to 2022. We've had pretty similar peaks and valleys, but overall the trend is your friend, and long-term Bitcoin is going to be going up like crazy, guys. It's inevitable. It's absolutely inevitable, so don't panic. So here's the big bombshell news. Are you ready? So it looks like that Ripple right now is considering buying bankrupt lender Celsius. Wow. This is huge news. If this happens, then it means that everybody that's got money stuck on Celsius is going to be able to get their money out. Everything is going to be, after a bit of restructuring, everything is going to be fine, guys. So this is not confirmed, guys. This is not confirmed. So I'm going to repeat it again. This is not confirmed, but it looks like this could happen, possibly will happen, but Ripple is considering buying a bankrupt crypto lender Celsius out there. So, a company spokesman for Ripple said they're interested in learning about Celsius assets and whether any could be relevant to our business. When asked whether Ripple planned to wholly acquire Celsius, the spokesman said, I ain't got nothing to say about that. Of course, you can't do that. It's like when you're doing a deal, you can't say I'm doing a deal, right? You've got to keep calm out there. So this is very good for the users. Remember, Celsius assets have been frozen since June. I got my crypto out like 24 hours before. It was a weird and wacky. I had like this epiphany. I was literally woke up and I said, I feel weird about Celsius, and I literally sent off my crypto, guys, and I'm so grateful that I had that epiphany. So once again, and this kind of leads me into the next point, it is so important that you get your crypto off lending platforms, get them off centralized exchanges. Particularly, when we have the bear running rampant, you want to secure your crypto because you're going to see more crypto exchanges fail during bear cycles and bull cycles. It looks like when crypto is going up and everything's going crazy, you can be like stupid, make mistakes, and all that kind of stuff, and it just goes up, so it doesn't come up. But when the bear comes, it means that the people that have made mistakes don't have good risk management. It all bubbles up, and that's why we're seeing crypto exchanges collapse. Like yesterday, we had a crypto exchange in Germany that collapsed, stopped the withdrawals. So the crypto contagion is still ongoing, guys and gals. I mean, you don't have to worry about like crypto.com and Binance and these huge, humongous exchanges. Now, there's also I think an exchange called Coin Profit in Australia. There's been some people saying, some of my subscribers and community have been saying they can't withdraw off this Australian-based, I think it's called Coin Profit. I may be wrong. Please smash the likes. And don't forget to comment in case I'm getting the name wrong. But it looks like also Justin DYDX exchange confirms blocking wallets tied to Tornado Cash. So you're going to see that a lot of exchanges are going to comply with the new Treasury regulation, and they're going to be blocking Tornado Cash out there, guys. So if you're using Tornado Cash in America, you're not going to be able to use it anymore. Even here from Thailand, I tried to go to the the website and everything, blocked. Couldn't get in. Had to use a VPN. But it is also being blocked. So it looks like this is from a titan of crypto out there, and what he's saying is that we could be seeing a huge altcoin season coming in, and it looks like the Bitcoin USD represents all alts market cap against BTC, and it looks like it just flipped a super trend indicator, just flipped bullish, guys. And if it breaks a resistance, we could be seeing that the altcoin season could be confirmed, and we could be going uppity up, guys. But be cautious out there. Nothing has been confirmed. I don't want you guys to go nuts and go crazy and OG said this. Be cautious. Do your own risk management. Do your own research. Never ape into anything that you don't have any full understanding of. And remember, never, please, I'm begging you, never invest more than you're willing to lose. So it looks like in Africa right now, it looks like there's been this whole initiative, this whole innovation using the cellular network could onboard millions of Bitcoin users previously unreachable by internet-dependent BTC protocol. So it looks like, built by a South African developer, looks like their new SMS-based service named Machakura, a slang in South Africa word for money. Looks like that you're going to be able to use SMS to send and receive Bitcoin. And what that means is that we're going to see millions and millions of Africans who are live in remote areas but do have a cell phone coverage, aka SMS, and maybe not 3G or maybe not even LTE out there, but they're going to be able to participate, send and receive Bitcoin. So that's going to be interesting, guys. That is going to be interesting as a huge catalyst out there. So that's kind of cool beats out there, guys. So Elon Musk is up to his old tricks again. He's the Rocket Man 2.0 is getting ready to blast off the rocket. And don't forget, we got the Dogecoin, SpaceX to the moon, guys. It's still happening. I mean, we haven't heard much from Elon Musk out there, but it is what it is. So we're still seeing that the Bitcoin is up 24,531, so that is good news. We're seeing the Doge right now is well above 0.68, and we're blasting away, and we've broken out of our apex, guys. We absolutely broken out of our apex. We did get as high as yesterday when the CPI data came out at 0.748. Now remember, Thursdays can be wacky. Often Thursdays can be reversal days, so just keep that in mind. But so far, we're seeing that Doge is looking pretty good. We're looking pretty cool beans in the house. Look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now. Shiba is at 12. It's up slightly, but it's not as. I think Doge is doing better from that perspective. Let's take a look at what's going on with Doge again. We don't want to see that. Let's take a look at the DXY, guys. Let me get that up there. Let me get it up there for you all. DXY. I can't even type. I'm like dyslexic out there. DXY. Yeah, there we go. DXY. Let's get it. So right now we're seeing the DXY is coming down. It's at 104 out there. So, you know, we're seeing the strength of the dollar weakening. That is good. That's going to help push Bitcoin up. That's why also we're seeing the Thai baht is also, you know, also strengthening out here. So that is cool beans in the house. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house. So there's been a ton of leverage apes out there. About $470 million worth of leverage apes. And a lot of these have been short positions because a lot of people have been betting that Bitcoin was going to tank. And a lot of people thought that CPI data was going to be bad news bears. So we're seeing right now on the hourly right now, we are seeing a little bit of longs out there. So it could be a long squeeze. I could put some price deflection to the downside for Bitcoin. So just watch out for that. So let's take a look at total market cap. So total market cap is looking glorious at 1.18 trillion. We're seeing the volumes are good at the 67 billion. We're seeing Bitcoin dominance is slightly inflated, slightly going up. We don't want to see that. We want to see it coming down. Then we'll see a lot more you know, a lot more coins, altcoins going up. So right now we're seeing that a 24-hour volume for Shiba Inu is kind of lackluster, and we're seeing that Shiba Inu is up about 3.08%. So let's take a look at the rest of the coins in-house right now. So we're seeing right now BTC is up 6%. That's good. We're seeing Ethereum is blasting away, up 11%. BNB is up 3%. We're seeing XRP is up 429%. Hopefully this breaking news, this holy smokes, holy bombshell of the news that Ripple will buy Celsius happens. That will be so good for the users, so good for you and me out there. We're seeing ADA is still up 4.67%. We're seeing Solana's up 10%. Dottie Watt's up 7.48%. We're seeing Doge is still doing very well, up 4.66%. We're seeing Automatic is up, and we're seeing the Shiba Weeby is up as well, guys. So far we're seeing most of the altcoins are greeny weeny, and that's going to bring this video to a close, guys. Do go follow me on my Twitter, guys. Go down there. And don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe, YB, I appreciate it. Follow my links, guys. Absolutely follow links. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar. We got the now Ledger link down there too. Bing. Go follow. I appreciate it. And gear up with the OG gear. Get the merch. Get the mug. And guys, do become channel members. I would appreciate it. Remember, all the memberships, all the merch, all of that stuff, even the Dogecoin tippy jar, all that stuff we go to charity, guys. So I appreciate it. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Be well. Be happy. Be safe out there. I'll absolutely see you in the next one at 10 p.m. Bangkok time. Let's get ready, guys. Let's get ready. Huge moonshot coming. We love the Doge. I love the Doge. You love the Doge. Let's get it, guys. We love everybody out there. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.